Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to create this beautiful half cut crease style makeup. So let's get started. First I'm using this primer from Maybelline. Apply it all across your face evenly and blend it properly so that it seeps into your skin and gives a nice texture for your makeup. Now I'm using this concealer from L'Oreal, applying it on the eyelid for my eye base. I will blend that in with a brush. You can even use a beauty blender to blend this concealer. Just blend it evenly so that you have like a good base for your eye makeup. Now I'm using this banana powder from Makeup Revolution to set that base properly so that it doesn't crease or anything. We're almost done now, and I'm going to use this brow definer pencil from my Glam, and I will fill in my brows wherever required. When you're filling the brows, always remember to use your natural hair like strokes, which becomes so much easier with this pencil. So we'll just do that. Take your time and be gentle. Use very light strokes and just be patient and fill in the brows properly. Brows are almost done now, and I'll just run the spoolie once to shape them properly, and we're done with the brows. Now I'm using this Manish Malhotra 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette. Look at these gorgeous colors. First, I'm using this neutral brown color and applying it in the crease line. This just helps you define the crease line properly. You don't want to apply a lot of product, just a little bit, and then blend it into the crease line. We're almost done with this, and now I'll take the blue eyeshadow and start applying it from the outer corner of the eye. Look at the intensity of that pigment. Just a little bit is enough for your entire eye makeup. So we'll blend that in the crease line as well, and more or less we are going to fill half the length of the eye with this color. So take your time and blend it properly so that it looks seamless. Now I'm taking a little bit of the concealer and just applying it in the inner half of the eye. This will give a nice base to apply the shimmer eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this white shimmer eyeshadow and applying it on top of the concealer that we just applied. Go on pressing the shimmer shade onto the concealer to get a nice intensity, and then we'll just slightly blend the edges. And I will also blend the outer edges so that it gives a softer look and we don't have any harsh or proper defined lines that are visible. We're done, and now I'm using the same concealer once again, applying it under my eyes, and we'll also apply it on any dark spots or pigmentation that you might have. I also like to apply it around my mouth. And now we'll blend all that concealer using a beauty blender. If you want, you can also blend it using a brush or your fingers, whatever is comfortable with you. Just take your time and be patient and blend it really well with very light pressure. You don't want to put a lot of pressure either. So be very light with your hand and blend all that concealer properly into your skin. Blending the under eye area, always start from the inner corner and then go outwards and in an upward direction. That way it just lifts up your eye. We are almost done, and now I'm using this Superstay foundation from Maybelline, applying some dots all across my face. And now again we'll blend that foundation properly with a beauty blender or a brush. Again, you need to be very gentle with your hand. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure, just a light hand, and blend that in properly so that you get a seamless base. If you want, run the beauty blender 2 or 3 times across the same area so that you are sure that the foundation is blended perfectly and you don't have to do any touch-ups ever. Now I'm using the banana powder once again to set that foundation in place. As you can see, first I dab the product and then swirl the brush across. Follow this for your entire face so that your base is properly set across all the areas of your face, and don't forget the neck ever. So do that, and then once you're done you can swirl the brush across to get a seamless finish. Now I'm using the blue eyeshadow again and applying it on the lower lash line, and then we'll smudge that line a little bit. Take a very little amount of the product because that's going to be enough for you, and then smudge it. Now I'm using this blush from Makeup Revolution. It's a beautiful peachy shade. Applying it evenly on my cheeks. Take a little bit of product and go on building it if required. I also apply a little bit of it on my nose and chin. Now I'm using this highlighter duo from Posy. It has two colors and I am using the lightest shade. Applying a little bit on the cheekbone. Look how gorgeous it looks already. Little bit on my nose and also on the chin. Little bit below the brow, and we're done. Now I'm using this wheelie eyeliner from My Glam and doing a tiny wing style eyeliner. The wheelie style brush of this eyeliner is so convenient to use, and I'm sure you are also going to find it super easy in case you happen to buy this product. So just do that, perfect your wing, and then you're done. Now I'm using the Twisted mascara. I like this style of the brush or wand that they have. I use that to apply the mascara to the roots, and then the normal brush to add more definition to the lashes. Now I'm using this lip liner pencil from My Glam. I am using the shade Basic, which is a neutral shade. Just line them properly. Now I'm using this Popexo mini lip kit, and I will be using this lipstick from the kit for my look today. Apply the lipstick all across your lips properly. As you can see, again this is a nude shade, and I'm sure this is going to look amazing if you have a lighter or a medium skin tone. And we are done with the look. I feel this is a perfect makeup for any wedding or parties. This is how the final look is. It looks so pretty, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again. Till then, take care. Bye.